Do you need a quick potato salad recipe? My dad was a beast in the kitchen cooking delicious food, and his smashed potato salad was no exception. This was my dad's favorite potato salad, and it's my favorite comfort food today. This is a quick potato salad, but it is still packed with all that tang and all that crunch that you love in your potato salads. This smashed potato salad will be the perfect side dish at your next cookout or family gathering or just hot dogs and hamburgers around your kitchen table. Check out the channel. I also have an Amish potato salad and an Amish macaroni salad that are to die for. Welcome or welcome back. I know you're going to like this one and you'll want this one in your recipe book. So you hit that like button up there. If you are new, you hit subscribe and also hit notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. Add me a comment down there. Tell me what your favorite comfort food is, what your favorite side dish is. Heck, tell me what your favorite potato salad is. Now, let me show you how Daddy made this smashed potato salad like a beast. To start Daddy's mashed potato salad, you're going to need to get a couple eggs, and you'll want to hard boil these. If you and your family like a lot of eggs, add more. If you don't like any, don't add any. This is still going to be delicious. I have here 5 medium russet potatoes. So you'll see my recipe calls for 4. That would be 4 large russet potatoes. I only had a medium, so I'm using 5. You will want to wash these and peel them, and we're going to get them on to cook. This is my favorite type of peeler to use. I don't know if you guys have one like this. I picked this up at the flea market, but my granny always used one like this. So I was very familiar when I started housekeeping with how to use these and used one ever since. These are all peeled now. I am going to give these a quick rinse and then we're going to cut them and put them into our saucepan. I have these all washed up now. I did wash them before I peeled them, but just those peelings, I just think it needs it again. So now you're just going to put these in chunks. It really doesn't matter how big of chunks. Well, yeah, it does. If you want it to cook faster, you're going to put it in smaller chunks. But since this is a smashed potato salad, you don't have to worry about the consistency of your squares, of your potatoes that you cut. And I'm just throwing these right over into my saucepan. I have about probably 4 cups of water here. This is the last of our potatoes that we're adding to our sauce pot. And we're going to need to salt these. I'm going to salt them pretty good. I have some sea salt here, and I'll be adding about a tablespoon of salt. You know, salt's all about that flavor. To this, I'm going to also add 2 cloves of garlic just to give it more flavor. So just put these in here. You're not going to chop them up. You're just merely going to throw them in. Bring your pot up to a boil, and we're going to cook these until they're nice and tender. While our potatoes and eggs are cooking, we're going to go ahead and we're going to chop up our onion as well as our pickle. Guys, this is a quick salad. So this is one you could throw together in no time and carry to a friend's house for a cookout or quickly and have it for your dinner with nothing other than hamburgers and hot dogs. This is why that I love Daddy's smashed potato salad. It is so easy. It's quick to put together and it is oh so delicious. You guys will see. We're using a red onion and we're only using a half. We're only making a little bit of potato salad here. If you had a larger crowd, you could double my recipe. Next, I'm going to cut up my pickles. We are using kosher Dills, and for me, there is not a better pickle for this Daddy smashed potato salad. And it's the only one that my daddy used in it. So you're going to need about a 1/4 cup of this. Again, you want a small dice on the pickle too. How quick was that? Our pickles and onions are all chopped. Now we just wait for these potatoes to get done and we're going to smash it all together. Our potatoes are soft. We're going to drain these and add them to a mixing bowl and then get all of this mixed up. We'll toss this into our mixing bowl. To our potatoes, we're going to add about a quarter cup of sour cream and about 3/4 cup of the South's favorite Duke mayonnaise. It's got the tang. To bring even more twang to this, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the dill pickle juice. And we're going to give this all a quick smash. You're just going to give this a quick smash. You're not really going to cream these, not like creamed potatoes, even though you could use leftover creamed potatoes to make this potato salad as well. We want it a little bit chunky, but smashed. Add your 2 boiled eggs, chopped up, and your pickles and your onion. This is going to bring some crunch to this salad. Add some more black pepper and some salt. Gotta season this up. And of course, this will be to your taste. We like a lot of black pepper. Now you're going to stir this to mix it up really good. Look how pretty that salad is, guys. That mayonnaise and the sour cream makes it so creamy. Got that little bit of garlic that we just went ahead and smashed in there with it, okay? Look how beautiful. All we got to do now is put this on a serving plate. So I added this to a better looking dish. That other one was just too huge. And I topped it in some paprika. This is smoked paprika, but it always brings a lot of color to any potato or macaroni salad. Now, my favorite part, that taste test. Can you hear that crunch? It's so good. It's creamy. You've got the tang of that dill pickle juice, the dill pickles, and that mayonnaise. You've got the crunch. You got the creaminess of those potatoes and that little hint of egg. Guys, this was one quick salad made with just a few simple staples from your kitchen. You can throw this one together in no time flat. For other salads and side dishes, make sure you check the channel. I have some wonderful dishes there. Some to mention is that Amish potato salad as well as that Amish macaroni salad. Add me a comment, guys. You spread some kindness. I hope that you have enjoyed this recipe and I hope that you will do this one in your home. Guys, give us a thumbs up if you are new. You subscribe and hit notifications so that you get all of our recipes as they post. And until next time, you guys take care and God bless.